So, good morning everyone. So, for today's video, we're going to discuss parabola at vertex in 0, 0. Vertex at 0, 0. So, what is parabola? So, parabola is the set of all points in a plane equidistant from fixed points. So, we have focus and fixed line, directrix. Okay, so the point midway between the focus and the directrix, or the midpoint of the shortest line segment from the focus to the directrix of the parabola is called the vertex of the parabola. Okay, vertex of the parabola. The line through the vertex and focus of the parabola is called axis of the parabola or axis of symmetry. The chord of the parabola through the focus and perpendicular to this axis is the latus rectum. So, in parabola, so we have focus, so we have the directrix, axis of symmetry, and we have latus rectum. So, in parabola, so in parabola, so for example, the parabola is opens to the right. So we have this, the vertex, we have the focus, the axis of symmetry, this broken line, and then the ends of latus rectum is this portion, okay? And the directrix is, it is the opposite direction of the focus. So the distance from vertex to focus and vertex to directrix is equal, okay? So that is an example of a parabola, a image of a parabola. Okay, so next, so we have properties of parabola, right? So for example, we have y squared equals 4ax. So in this case, if we can see something like this, so the parabola is opens to the right, and it is the vertex is at 0, 0. So for example, in this, the properties of this is vertex is in 0, 0, focus is at a is a 0, or the focus is at 1 at 0 if we have an a value of 1. So how we come up with 1? So we are going to divide the 4ax, or the 4 divide 4, okay? And we have directrix. Directrix is the line, the directrix of the line is, we have x equals negative a, or in the equation x equals to negative 1. Axis of symmetry is equal to 0. Ends of latus rectum 1 and 2, and 1 and negative 2, because we're going to add negative 1, and we're going to subtract negative 1 both side, positive and negative, and the inclination or concavity is open to the right. So as we can see, it is open to the right, something like that. Okay, so and this one is in previous image, it is open to the right, and this one, it is open to the left. So the opposite properties of a opens to the right. So we have vertex 0, 0, the focus is at 1, 0, directrix is 1, axis of symmetry 0. In axis of symmetry, even it is opens up or opens downward, right or left, the axis of symmetry is equal to 0. And this, in the ends of latus rectum of this, negative 1 and 2, negative 1 and negative 2, and it is opens to the left, okay? It is open to the left. And so the next topic, so we're going to discuss it in the next week. Okay, thank you.